temperature of the Earth's climate system. It is a major aspect of climate change and has been demonstrated by direct temperature measurements and by measurements of various effects of the warming. The terms global warming and the climate change are often used interchangeably. Well, friends, I am Veerabhadraya Demaya from the Garden City, Kalyan Nagar, Bangalore. Would like to a few words to share and acknowledge about global warming today with you. As a human being, as a son of village schoolmaster, Gopanhalli, Challakere, Chitradurga, Karnataka, the Republic of India, as an Indian citizen, I am here to say we need to act. Global warming is a master problem all over the world and is responsible for the environmental impact on social, economical, political, moral, ethical values. We should realize that the greenhouse gases like oxides of carbon, carbon monoxide, 9 to 26%, carbon dioxide, oxides of nitrogen like nitric oxide, nitrous oxide, nitrogen trioxide, nitrogen pentoxide, etc. Like ammonia vapors from industrial waste, gases around 4.9%, refrigeration releases chlorofluorocarbon CFC around 12%, biotic activities like garbage, waters and sewage pollution, marshy places responsible for the evolution of methane gas around 4 to 9%, atmospheric ozone around 3.7%, water cycle around 36.72%, 36 to 72%, carbon cycle around 9 to 26%, called greenhouse gases. Well, friends, these are the very important global average temperature is increasing day by day. Surface temperatures is projected continuously. About the climate change includes global warming. Precipitation, while there have been prehistoric periods of global warming, many observed changes since the mid-20th century have been unprecedented over decades of millennia. The physical drives of climate change, carbon, as I told you, the greenhouse gases which are responsible for global warming, climate change varies with place to place and time to time. For example, the climate conditions of temperature of giant gas planets like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto, which are outer planets. They are also called gas giants, are very cold, ranging from -100 to -800, and it may increase as -800 degrees Celsius. Whereas the climate condition of the inner planets, Mercury, Mars, Venus and Earth are entirely different. They are hot. The only unique planet, Earth, is the moderate climate, and here the existence and survival of life. Hence, save Earth, save water. Blue planet Earth is very precious to mankind. You know that greenhouse effect, solar radiation absorbs Earth's land ocean surface warm to average of 14 degrees Celsius. This is the greenhouse effect, my dear friends. Greenhouse gases like vapors, carbon dioxide, oxides of nitrogen, oxides of carbon, methane gas, refrigerants, chlorofluorocarbons, variation of these gases are responsible due to human activities like industrialization, automobile industries, chemical industries, textile and paper industries, iron and steel industries, fertilizers industries, which are responsible for the major causes air, water, land pollutions. The other pollutions like sound, noise, vision, mind are also responsible for the minor causes of climate change, my dear friends. Variations in concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere during the last 800,000 years. Although the glacial cycles are thought to be directly caused by changes in the Earth's orbit, Carbon cycle. Since the Industrial Revolution, as I discussed already, see the 1800, the burning of fossil fuels has caused a rapid increase of CO2, that is carbon dioxide, in the atmosphere, reaching levels unprecedented in the last million years. This is the carbon cycle, my dear friends. Global warming, this increase, the global warming, the spacing carbon dioxide samples varies through the time. At the present, the atmosphere is sampled routinely. This is the statistics shows it is increasing. At 2000, it is increasing. The industry, because of the industrial revolution starts, carbon dioxide is increasing and it reaches the atmosphere. Annual total carbon dioxide emissions by the world region. In principle, the space sampling in the oldest parts of the record could hide abrupt excursions. However, isotopic measurements of ice cores, which are made continuously along the entire core, and our current understanding of the rates of natural process of creating and removing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, make it unlikely that any positive excursions and carbon dioxide comparable to the Industrial Revolution have happened during the interval presented above. The dark ocean reflects only 6% of incoming solar radiation, that is ultraviolet radiations, that is, whereas sea ice reflects 50 to 70%. Global carbon dioxide emissions by country in 2015, China 29.4%, United States 14.3%, and Emirates 9.8%, India 6.8%, Russia 4.9%, and Japan 3.5%, and other countries 31.5% as far as global carbon dioxide emissions by countrywide in the statistic available in 2015. Greenhouse gas emissions by economic sector, industry, this is the 30%, agriculture, forestry and other use, it is 25%, buildings, 20%, transport, around 10 to 15% between, and others are up to 10%. These are the direct emissions of 75% of total. So global climate change performance is worldwide, my dear friends. The climate change performance is very low. This is the red region, America and Soviet country, China and all. These are the important thing to remember, very low, and it is still, India is also very low, and medium, and it is high. This is the global climate change performance. Climate Strike logo from 350 AUG's website, taking place September 20 to 27, a global climate strike in the Sydney, Australia. Global Climate Strike logo, this is another important information regarding the global climate strike 20 to 27 September 2019. So we should be very cautious, my dear friends, today, due to which it is sad and a pity to say that poverty, sufferings of mankind on the planet Earth, how to overcome of these sufferings, poverty of the mankind, think and act. So people of planet Earth about the ecology and environment studies. So my dear friends, knowledge is power. See, knowledge is power, as I told you. Think and action should be taken to enact the environmental awareness programs nationwide and international level to save planet Earth, save water, save Earth. Global warming is the long-term rise in the average temperature of the Earth's climate, my dear friends. This is a very important information from VVS Academy. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.